Hi, welcome everyone. You are now watching the Factory In-House Live Show of 2021 TaipeiPLAS ShoeTech Taipei. I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event as online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face in physical trade show, don't worry, I'm going to bring you to visit our exhibitors factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box and words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Today, let me bring you to鳳記International Machinery Company.鳳記is the expert and world-renowned brand with over 60 years experience. It's very famous for blow molding machine, blown fill machine, sheet making machine, and furthermore. Now let's welcome Ms. Susan Wei, the sales director of鳳記. Hello, Susan.
Hi, everybody. How are you?
Great, Susan. We're lucky and happy to see you here. Now let's follow Susan to visit鳳記factory. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Susan from鳳記International Machinery Company Limited. You are most welcome to visit us in our factory. I would like to introduce you our 8-cavity single head blow molding machine. They are making this kind of shampoo bottles, and the machine is going to deliver to Russia, one of our old customers. Okay, and this one is an extrusion lamination machine, which is designed for 250 meters per minute. Machine is for India. It's mainly for flexible packaging lamination film. Such a similar machine, we have the design up to 400 meters per minute. Entire machine is fully automatic, from auto splicing, auto cut, and auto changeover without reducing the running speed. And each of the machine is with a Siemens control, Siemens drive, which is also available with a remote control. In our factory, we don't manufacturing every single part. So all the items being manufactured outside and coming to our quality inspection center. Every part has been well inspected before assembling. You can see all the items was here. Before when we have the machine assembled, then we start the test run. It is very important to have the machine well tested, which can shorten the startup production at customer site. Tony, 来 introduce.
This is accumulator head blow molding machine, but dual head, and with high productive. And it's specially designed for lightweight items.
The machine is going to deliver to United States, and the major product is for the parts, the children's playground. This is also one of the machines going to deliver to Brazil, and this machine is for making the marine float, a special design equipment. this is the machine we are going to exhibit at TaipeiPLAS. Due to COVID-19, we are doing on-site DigitalGo. The machine is 3-layer blow molding machine, all electric, single station. They are making 20-liter jerry cans. We have a special design on energy saving, eco-friendly, and smart manufacturing. 3-layer structure is able to fully utilize the regrind material. So you can see they are 20% outer layer with the virgin grade and master batch, 60% with regrind or PCR, and the inner layer which contact the contents is 100% virgin. So with a 3-layer structure, you are able to fully utilize the eco-friendly, which less plastic and minimize the emission, carbon emission. So this is the smart manufacturing products. The 20-liter jerry can with the proper design of the shape, we can reduce the weight from generally 1 kilo to 850 grams. 850 grams only. And it's a fully automatic, total automation machine. From the raw material feeding to the container producing with the poster cooling device to ensure high productivity and also best quality products. All the driving system from the extruder by PMS motor, carriage move and the clamp by servo motor and actuator, which ensure faster speed and also accuracy. Raw material from the dosing system conveying up to the autoloader, and the waste recycling system coming back. So it's a total automation and in one closed loop. Control system, we are using B&R from Austria, which complete with all the production data, all the data being installed, and also available with remote control for troubleshooting and even the routine maintenance, preventive maintenance system also there. In a way, it's a very efficient and economical design of the machine. If you need any further information, please contact us or visit us at the www.fki.com. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back. I would like to welcome anyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in chat box now. I would like to welcome Ms. Susan Wei, the Sales Director of凤記International Machinery, to joining us for Q&A section. Hello, Susan. Hi. Hi, Susan. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you well.
Okay. I would like to welcome Susan, the Sales Director of鳳記, to joining us for Q&A section. And we have one question from Ms. Alice. Hi, Susan. Why using 3 layers ratio instead of mono layer? Please, Susan, the floor is yours.
Today, the demand for a green world, they are asking to reduce the consumption of the plastic. So to meet the target to reduce, reuse, and recycle. So the main solution will be 3-layer structures, which we are using 20, 60, 20% as a total 3-layer structure. And the outer layer as 20% can use 100% virgin plus 1 or 2% master batch. And the middle layer as a 60% can be used either 100% clean regrind or reprocess raw material with those additives. And then again, the inner layer, which to contact the contents, will be 20% of total virgin grade. So in a way, it will not compromise the final quality requirements and remain 3-layer structure. Okay.
The second question from Alice is how much energy saving compared to hydraulic machine?
The advantage for all electric machine is huge. First of all, energy saving. And the energy saving in a way also showing much less carbon emission. So apart from this, noise is much reduced. Maintenance will be tremendous reduced because no hydraulic components being used. So there is no leakage, no oil consumption on the major movement. And again, we giving certain contribution to eco working environment. So in a way, we also combine with a smart manufacturing, which is a convenient for operation with remote assets available to do the troubleshooting, the maintenance, everything. So our old electric machine is also a smart manufacturing piece of equipment. Okay.
Thank you, Alice, for many questions. I would like to welcome everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave in the chat box. And Susan, is there anything you would like to share with us more? The floor is yours. Thank you.
FKI is a company in the field more than 60 years. Apart from the blow molding machine, we are also offering to the market a blowing film line, cast film line, extrusion lamination, and what else I'm mixing? Sheet extrusion also. So this is 5 major items we are exporting more than 110 countries in the world. And we have agents to provide local support to many countries. Of course, there are some countries still we have to provide the service, the support from Taiwan. But each of our machine has remote control, which we are sitting here in Taiwan, we are able to provide the technical support, troubleshooting online. Although there are the cases with different time zone, but till today we are managing in a way acceptable and satisfied by the customer. So on and on, we will provide more strong backup at today's COVID-19 situation. And soon, we believe from next year, we are able to send out our service people to be direct contact to the customer side. Okay?
Thank you, Susan. If there's no further questions, I would like to wrap up today's event. TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech Taipei online exhibition and DigitalGo is live during September 28th to October 28th. Please stay tuned every Wednesday and Thursday for Factory in-house live show. Please visit TaipeiPLAS.com.tw and ShoeTech.com.tw for more details. And if you're interested in鳳記, FKI, please make sure to visit www.fonky.com for more services. I'm sure Susan will be more than pleasure to welcome you to visit Taiwan and Fonky Factory next year after pandemic. We would like to wish everyone healthy and happy and see you next time soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Susan. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.